Hello everyone! In this video, we will illustrate what is meant by the term antigen. The word antigen and the word immunogen are synonyms. The antigen is defined as a structure that can elicit an immune response, activate a T cell or B cell to produce an antibody that can attach to this antigen and react with it. So, let's illustrate more. Look at this worm. This is a worm that have eyes, have systems, have body wall, and all these structures are formed of many compounds. For example, the wall components, each one of them can be an antigen. So the antigen is a small part of an organism that can elicit an immune response. This green colored antigen carries many smaller compounds that are called epitopes. And actually, these epitopes are the actual stimulators for the immune system. The immune cell will identify a certain epitope and react against it. So, we can define an epitope as the smallest part of an antigen that can elicit immune response. And each antigen can carry different epitopes, and every epitope is either 3 to 5 amino acids or monosaccharides, 3 to 5 monosaccharides. We have another two important definitions: cross-reactive antigen or heterophile antigens. What are cross-reactive antigens? These are antigens present in different microbes but carry similar epitopes. An antibody that was produced in response to heterophile antigen can cross-react with the other microbe that carry the other heterophile antigen. And this is the mechanism for some autoimmune diseases and some false positive serological tests. The second definition is the hapten, which is so weak to elicit an immune response. However, if this hapten becomes attached to a certain protein, it can elicit an immune response. And this is the mechanism for some drugs causing hypersensitivity like penicillin. So, the antigen is the molecule that can elicit an immune response. And now, what are the factors that determine whether this antigen will produce a strong immune response or weak immune response? What are the factors that can affect immunogenicity of an antigen? Number one, foreignness. Only foreign microbes and molecules can stimulate immune cells. Cells of the immune system can't identify our body cells and can't elicit immune response against them. And this is called autotolerance. Number two, the size of the organism. The bigger the molecule, the stronger the immune response it can elicit. However, there is some exceptions. Carbon is large but weak antigen, while insulin is a small molecule but highly antigenic. Number three, the nature of the molecule. The most powerful antigens are proteins. Number four, the route of administration. Giving vaccines subcutaneous or intramuscular elicits a stronger immune response than giving it in the blood or intravenous. Factor number five is the dose. There is usually an optimum dose of an antigen to produce perfect immune response. Doses higher or lower than the optimum dose result in tolerance. Number six, adjuvants. Adjuvants are big non-immunogenic molecules like aluminum hydroxide. They are given with toxoids to prolong absorption and strengthen immune response. Lastly, host factors, genetic variation among people, nutritional state, and age, all these factors can affect immune response. Thank you for watching.